See anything? This hadn't been abandoned long, has it?
Like 6 months.
I'm saying people was living here 6 months ago?
Yeah. I mean, that's when they stopped that construction.
Right. How long had it been abandoned before that? I bet it was HUD housing. They're shutting down all the fucking HUD housing for some reason. They want everybody to die. That's insane. Let me get my flashlight. One of them. See if I can light things up. Oh, this one's dead. I don't even know I brought it. Alright, let's see what else I got. So these have outer stairs to go up to the apartment upstairs.
Yeah.
So, what? They're graffitied. They're graffitied out inside. They've been abandoned for a second then. But there's graffiti.
Well, they had to wait for the leases to end.
Yeah, these are graffitied everywhere. There's a damn Vice Lord sign. I didn't think they had them down here in Florida. All of them say 3830 on it.
3830?
Yeah, that's the number, but I thought it meant that there was 38 units, but I don't know what it means. What's that pile? What is that at the top of them stairs?
I don't know, but I'm not going up there.
Look.
I'm not going up
Just
there.
no, come right here and look.
I'm not.
You got better vision, I'll go get it. Looks like a camera.